guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Manalitha. Welcome. So today I filmed this soft glam look. I honestly am loving this look right now. I actually did my makeup differently than I usually do. Usually I start with the eyes and then do the whole foundation routine, but this time I decided to do the foundation routine and the eyes last. And y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it like this because look at me. Like, sometimes you just gotta give yourself a little credit. Sometimes you just gotta feel good about yourself. So that's the type of energy I'm giving off right now. But yeah, I am loving this. Yes, girl. Do your thing. Sorry, I'm just feeling really good. For those of you who have watched my last videos, you know I am preggers, and y'all, I'm feeling so good. I do have a couple days where it's like, okay, what's going on? But you know, it's all part of this pregnancy journey. But overall, I feel pretty damn good. So if you're interested if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please stick around. Oh, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post more bomb videos, and like this button because my makeup is bomb. Like, you can't deny it. You can't. Anyways, let's go. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 440. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I usually reach for this foundation because of the fact it is a matte foundation and I have oily skin, so it's a win-win for me. For concealer, I'm keeping it in the family with Fenty Beauty, and I'm using the Pro Filter Concealer in the color 440. To add just a little bit of brightness, I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the color Chestnut. To set the concealer, I'm using the Laurent Mercier translucent powder in the color Medium Deep. To add a bit more brightness under the eye, I'm going in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I love contouring with this NYX palette because of how warm the shade is and it's easy to blend. To set the contour, I'm going in with the Revolution Glow contour powder in the color Dark. To contour my nose, I'm going in with this brush as well as the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the color Mocha. I just want to note that all the products that I list in the video today, I will have down in the description box so you guys can check that out. To set my nose contour, I'm going to be using that same Revolution Glow powder in the color Dark. I almost forgot the name. Y'all, this blush is one of my holy grails, the Steve Laurant blush in the color Blushing. It is just such a beautiful color on my skin tone. Because I have oily skin, I love me some powders, so I am going in with the M.A.C Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep just to add a little bit of warmth underneath my eyes. If you do not have the Luna highlighter, please do yourself a favor and stop whatever you're doing. Well, don't stop this video, but after you watch the video, go ahead and cop it. So taking my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Chestnut, I am just going to tighten up my eyebrows a little bit. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Jordana Fabubrow in the color Dark Brown. To set my brows, I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Love this stuff. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, and I'm placing that color on my transition area. To deepen up this eye look, I am placing the Maybelline eyeshadow. For the main eyeshadow colors I'll be using, I'm going in with the Mauves palette by Juvia's Place. For mascara, I'm going in with my Kush mascara by Milk in the color black. Today's bomb lashes will be from Beauty Chasnee in the style Grace. Love, love, love these lashes. To apply these lashes, I'll be using the Kiss eyeliner glue, and y'all, game changer. It makes my life so much easier. I definitely recommend trying it. I just want to mention the powder that you see on my face is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, just to add a little bit of definition. And I'm just adding some highlighter to my brow bone. Y'all, don't judge my big jar of Vaseline. Everybody got one, but gotta keep the lips moisturized. And I am just going to use the M.A.C Chestnut lip liner to get my lips poppin'. For my lips, I'm using my favorite, well, one of my favorite matte lipsticks by Milani in the color Glam. This is just such a gorgeous shade. And to set it off, I am using the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. Love this stuff. Last minute, I decided I needed some black eyeliner, so I'm going in with the NYX eyeliner in black. Alright guys, so I think I am done. Let me go get my hair situated, let me get my clothes situated, and I'll be right back. So hopefully you all enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, share, subscribe, do all of that. Until next time.